Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss when I upload a video if that's something that will be interesting to you. Also, if you want to know when I upload, go ahead and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss when I upload a video. So, in today's video, as you guys can see, if you cannot tell already, we're going to be doing my hair. So, in today's video, I just wanted to do like a quick length check just to see where my hair is falling now since I cut it. I cut it back in, I want to say I cut it back in March, April, around that time I cut it. So this is my first time straightening it since I cut it, and also the first time straightening it at all in 2020. So that's kind of exciting. It's probably the only time I straighten it this year. So to do this, I'm going to be using my flat iron. I already have it on. I have it on 410 right now. I'm just gonna try to do this in one pass because I'm not trying to risk anything happening to my hair. So I shampooed with it's still a little wet, the Infra shampoo. This is by She, and I also used their treatment that goes with the shampoo, so I use both of these. And to style my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this She Silk Infusion. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my hair. I already put a little bit in my hair when I blow dried it, so I'm gonna add some more when I straighten it, just to make sure my hair is totally protected. And this stuff is really lightweight, so you can use as much as you want and it won't weigh your hair down at all. So that's what I like about this product. So I'm gonna be using this, a few clips to put in my hair, and also like just stuff to separate my hair with. And I'm also gonna be using this comb just to do the chasing method when I flat iron my hair. So that's all the things I'm gonna be using today. You're gonna see me looking down because I need to see, what I'm doing, so I'm not in a frame or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, so to start, I'm just gonna be applying a little bit more of this Silk Infusion to my hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't want it to run down my hand. But just like a quarter size amount, I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just section my hair off in just some little sections. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do top and bottom. I'm just gonna be doing 2 sections. If you guys don't know, the benefits of using the Silk Infusion here is to help against humidity, and it's also to help keep your hair straighter for longer. So that's why I like to use this. It'll keep your hair straight. It'll fight against humidity. I used this last time I used it, my hair stayed straight for a pretty decent amount of time, and when I did that it was longer. So we're going to go ahead and just do this again. So let's jump right now. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. start by just picking where I want my part to be. I'm just gonna do a part down the middle. I'm going to clip this out of the way. Then we're gonna work on this side. And I'm doing the same exact thing to the front that I did to the back. Let's go ahead and comb that down. If you guys see me looking down, I'm looking at a mirror just so I can see what I'm doing. So that's what I'm looking at. When I'm not looking at your beautiful faces, I'm looking in the mirror. You guys, so I'm down to the last section. I'm just gonna explain, I guess, one more time what I'm doing. So I just go over my roots. I take the flat iron and I just roll over my roots about 3 or 4 times. And then I go ahead and take my comb and I do the chasing method and I just go right on ahead and going all the way down to the end. And I just go through it my hair one time. Again, 3 to 4 passes on the roots. Take my comb, my flat iron, do the chasing method. If I need to go over the area another time, then I will, but if I don't really see a need to do that, then I don't. So, I'm noticing that my hair, it has a lot of like movement to it. It feels pretty good, but it just looks really crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try and add some bumps to the ends or something. See if I can bring this hair to life. I mean, it doesn't really matter anyway. I was just doing this to see how my hair looked straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just added a little curl to it, and I don't know. I mean, my hair obviously looks like it has potential, right? But I just think the cut is making it look a little off and I'm not really feeling it. But I mean, my hair feels good, so I guess that's all that really matters. I'm trying to play with it a little bit to make it look a little better, but I don't know. This is what we're working with. This video is obviously a fail, but I thought it would still be okay, cool, fun, I don't know, to just go ahead and post it anyways. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly, and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like. Gonna give you guys a quick 360. I kind of have like the church girl, little elementary school girl type of vibe going on right now. So yeah, I'll probably be bringing my curls back soon, just because, yeah, I like my curls a little better than straight hair. But if you guys did enjoy this video, do hit that like button down below. That helps my channel out a lot. Hit the subscribe button if and only if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.